like to demonstrate to you this old bell that I just got a few years ago. So I usually put this here to ring it. Let me show you how it's kind of soft, but let me show you how it sounds like. Kind of soft, right? Let me demonstrate to you again. Now, did you hear it? Well, I'm sure you heard it. So, this is Majestics 1000. This is an old bell. Maybe like from the 90s or 80s or maybe 2000s or maybe 2011. I just found this in my grandma's house. So here's the clapper. Here's what it looks like. There, that one. There, do you see it? So that's the clapper, what makes the bell ring. So, thank you for watching, and this is Majestics 1000. I hope you like my videos and subscribe for more. If you have any comments, you can tell me.